Hello everyone and welcome to Best with Streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can delete videos from your Twitch page. Now let's get started, shall we? Open up your Twitch, and once you open up your Twitch, just go over to your channel. So once you're inside your channel, you're going to click on videos. Now once you're inside videos, I don't have any video, but just press on, not really, my bad, just press on edit videos. Once you press on edit videos, you're gonna be over here, right, on this page. Once you're here, select on the video. Right now I've got no videos, not even any past broadcasts because I've already removed them. But yeah, over here you should have your videos. Click on that video and you can see the dustbin icon right here. Just click on the dustbin icon and that's about it. That should delete your video from your Twitch page. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.